What's good, y'all? Before this video start, I want to give a shout out to SPI Styles for sponsoring this video. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see my teeth, man. Boom! Teeth whitening kit from SPI Styles. Always, y'all, you can use code KISO for a discount on your purchase if you want to buy this product after I do this video. So I'm trying to show y'all how y'all can get y'all teeth whiter during this quarantine. You feel me? So look, we're gonna open the box. I'm gonna show y'all what's going in here, all right? So the first thing you're gonna see when you open the box is you're gonna see the user manual. You feel me? This is the user manual. See SPI Styles, you're gonna open it here. This is how you use the product. You feel me? Guys, you connect it to your phone. So look, it's as simple as this, all right? You know, we all look at directions, but honestly, who really reads directions, right? So boom, this right here is gonna measure how white or how yellow your teeth is. So let's see. All right, so I got some work to do, you feel me? So look, this is what's gonna happen. You see this right here? This is the teeth whitening kit itself. This is the unit. You feel what I'm saying? And you feel me? For all you droids out there, we got you. We got you. We got the new droids. We got the old droids. You feel what I'm saying? I can't get it out the pack. All right, there you go. You feel me? I think this is that USB-C, something like that. You know? We got the Apple right here. That's the Apple, you feel me? And it comes with a standard micro USB, okay? So this is where you plug in the teeth whitening kit. And the reason for this is that you're not plugged into the wall. You don't gotta sit next to the wall and just sit there and be stable. You can be mobile because you have a mobile device. You get what I'm saying? Oh, all right. So boom, this is the teeth whitening kit unit. But wait, there's more. So, you know, look here. Now this is the gel that you're going to be using for your teeth to make your teeth whiter. What the hell did I just say? I say whiter or whiter. These are the gels that you're going to be using for your teeth to make them whiter. You feel me? So look, I'm a little weak. You feel me? So all right, look, right? Boom. It looked like a marker, but it's not. It's not. Man. All right. This is how we're gonna do this, right? I'm getting straight into the video. Y'all playing. I'm trying to get y'all some white teeth during this quarantine. This is what you call a torrentine. Nah, because if it's a quarantine, that means that I gotta get the dolphin out the way first. All right, so look, right? This is boom. When you use the teeth whitening kit, you want to twist, right? You're gonna twist it. Some gel is gonna come out of the teeth whitening kit. Now this one is empty, but I have two more here. But I'm just using this to demonstrate to y'all, right? Gonna use this, and you're gonna apply just like this. You feel me? Now this does have gel left on it. Now that I realize, actually, I'm gonna use another one. Hey, man. All right. So it does come. My bad, y'all. It always happens. But look, see this? Once you apply the gel onto your teeth, what you want to do is you're going to take this, you're going to put it in your mouth, and then you're going to plug this into your phone. All right. And then you're going to press and turn the teeth whitening kit on, right? This is on, this is off. But it's a 16-minute treatment. But once it's done, it automatically turns off. So I'm gonna time lapse it. Alright, y'all, so once you're done with that, you want to spit out any excess spit that you have in your mouth. So I'm going to go in the bathroom and I'm going to do that. And after you do that, you want to make sure you wash off this with cold water. And you want to rinse everything out your mouth. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how my teeth are bright. As y'all can see, the product works. It has instant results. So imagine if you was to just do this for like, bro, imagine if you used to do this for like a week or 2 weeks straight, bro. Like, you would have some white teeth. Your teeth would be decently white. Like, she gonna look at you, she gonna be like, ooh, you got some nice teeth. I'm just saying, though. Or if you're a female, I'm sorry, I don't want to discriminate or, you know, be what's that word? Anyway, looking, we don't judge anybody on the Keisha Live TV channel, you know what I'm saying? So all I'm trying to say to you is, boy, girl, husband, wife, dolphin, fish, cat, dog. If you use it, they gonna like it, you know what I'm saying? If you do want to use this product, you want to buy this product, go to SPIstyles.com right now. You can use code KISO at checkout for a discount on your purchase. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Live TV. You feel me? You know that, but yeah, it was your boy Kiso. It was good talking to y'all again. I know I ain't posting in a little minute. We on the road to 800 subscribers. We just hit 700. I'm thinking about doing a nice little giveaway for y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all stay active in my comments because I got y'all. We gonna get this thing popping. But if you want to live the life that you want to live and make money and income from your phone, comment down below. Comment a money bag or alligator down below and I will personally message you. Actually, comment a money bag and your Instagram tag and I'll personally message you and I will get you started. I will help y'all make money from your phone because that's how good I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling like $1 million. But nah, it was your boy Keisha Live TV and I'm out of here. Gang.
13 hoes like Steve Nash. Louis V duffel keep the bags in the bag. I'm tryna take the whole team, man. I got no rooms for all they ass.